going? I'm Mike Hage, I'm from Port Quarry. I'm just showing off my new FE8 scratch build, 1916 model. I love a string and rag plane, that's why I built this one. It's constructed as a full size, it has a full aluminium monocoque frame inside, as a full size. With full control cables, just as the full size. The engine is a UMS 360 7-cylinder. It's got a scale propeller which I made.
You made the propeller?
I made the propeller, made everything on this plane.
Except the motor?
Except the engine, yeah. It is actually 38%, and the reason it's 38% is because of the engine diameter and the propeller it scales to this size aeroplane. There's no wing tubes or anything in this, everything is held by the fly landing wires. So this supports the whole plane. The plane weighs 38 kilos, and 35 kilos, sorry, and the reason for that is because I've got 5 kilos of ballast in the front, put up with the 8.5 kilo aeroplane. The pilot is made by Hage Heroes, and it's a full moving pilot. So that's rudder bar and stick, it's all moving. It's got about 30 pulleys in this aeroplane. Because of the way the cabling is, all the controls have to come out of the right spots. Ailerons here, elevator and rudders all come out here through these pulleys to clear the props. What else is there?
And the bracketry?
All the bracketry is all handmade, pretty much as per scale.
You've made every bracket?
Every bracket, everything. All landing gear, all handmade. The wheels, I've made all the wheels too, the spoke wheels. They've got aluminium booms, fully adjustable stabiliser tail plane. She flies as full size.
What were some of the challenges, apart from making a propeller?
The challenges was all the geometry, getting everything right, getting all the deckage right. Everything is held by cables. You adjust up one cable, it upsets other ones. See in the aileron loop, it all has full size, so it goes all the way around. The actual controls for it are actually in front of the engine, behind the pilot, the servos. So it's all got linked servos.
And what about the booms? Did they pose any challenge, or?
Well, yeah, you got to get all the geometry right. I had to make all the correct brackets for it. The transport, the wing panels break off, so you have to disengage quite a few of the cables. But the whole centre section stays together, so I can transport it in the car, and I don't have to release all the rear control cables.
The amount of cabling must weigh a significant amount.
Yeah, there's a lot of drag because of all the cabling. But she puts around on half throttle, which is good.
And how does it fly?
It flies good. It's a good stable aeroplane. They're a pretty agile aeroplane in the war. And of course they're a pusher because at that time they didn't have an interrupter gear for the machine gun out the front.
And you don't build from plans, do you, Mike?
No, I just get like a good 3 view to get a border, and then do all your research on, all your spacing, that sort of stuff, where everything's got to go. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with it.
It's beautiful. And it flies beautifully. Fantastic.
Yeah, no, it's good. Yeah, she flies good.
Okay, thanks, mate.
Righto. Cheers, guys.